The select clause is the way that we get data out of a table. So we can select star from customer and F5, and it shows us all the columns in that table. Now, the select star is a way to easily see everything, all the columns in the table. You can also specify which columns you want to see. Cust ID. If we just say we just want cust ID. No, that's not right. Cust ID. So if I do that, I'm only selecting cust ID. And this is important to kind of realize that when your application is expecting certain results, if you select star, say your application wants cust ID. Let's do this so we can see everything. Say your application is expecting cust ID and last name. So this is what your application is expecting. Say your web page or your app or whatever it is that you're using, a crystal report or something else. If it's expecting that, it's very good to select exactly what it's expecting, because if your application is expecting all the fields, it is expecting everything that you have, then one day you're going to add something to this column, add another column or columns to this table, or do changes or something, and now this is, instead of returning 3 columns, it might be returning 5, 10, 20, whatever, and now you've broken your application. So when you're working in Management Studio, it's okay to select star, but when you're doing something for an application, web page, anything that you're using these actual fields, you should specify each column that you want. That way it doesn't break it when you add something. So you can always add something to this customer table, and unless you go into your view or your select statement in your app, it's not going to know about that field, as long as you add it to the end of the table. If you add it in the middle of the table, sometimes that can cause problems. It's usually a good idea to add it to the end. But if it's just selecting specific fields, columns, then you're usually going to be okay. Thanks for checking out my video. This video is one of many included in my Udemy course, Learn Microsoft T-SQL the Easy Way. So if you like this video, you can head on over to Udemy and enroll in the course. Click the link in the information. It'll take you directly to the course. You can check out the course overview, and if it looks like something you'd like, please enroll. And don't forget to leave a star rating and a good review of the course, an honest review of the course, so other students can also see what it's about. So thanks for checking out my video. Hope you liked the video and the course, and we'll see you around.